guys, Minan Magallanes here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna unbox my TRD sway bar. And this is the parts. So TRD parts, sway bar. Here's our brackets, washers, the hardwares, bushings, and the arm. And this is the important stuff, the instruction. So that's our parts, guys. See you guys at the install. So we're prepping this already to install our sway bar, rear sway bar. So bolt, washer, and then washer, spacer, and washer. And this one, we make sure this thing goes on the top and this one goes in the bottom. The top one is the big one and the bottom is the small one. So we'll put the other side, washer, bolt, washer, spacer, and washer. That's it, guys. Then we're gonna remove the bolt. This is the one I think coming from the hitch. Other side. We just need to clean the hole to make sure that there's no sand and dust, so that when we put our new bolt, it'll be easy. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Hold this already. It's just a tight space. So for now, we're just gonna put it loose, not too tight, so that we can adjust later. And then we'll do the other side. This is our sway bar. We're gonna set it up on the bottom. So now we're putting the sway bar and the top's still loose so that we can adjust. it like that, and then we'll do the other side. Here, so we're gonna put the bolt. Make sure you guys put washer. Insert the bolt. Sway bar. Washer, and then the nut. And then we'll tighten it later. And the new addition to my Polo Bear is the airbag suspension. Make sure we lube the bushing. And then now we're gonna put our U-bolt. Make it slide here somewhere. The bushing, you can just open it and insert here. I'll put this one first. So here is how it looked like. The install for that sway bar, the nuts and bolts still loose. We're gonna tighten the bolt. This bolt, the torque is 48. On the U-bolt is the same thing, 48. And then the one that goes to the chassis, the torque is 84. That's how it look like. TRD rear sway bar. And plus I put airbag suspension. This is how it look like when you're done installed. That's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.